Just going to meet with the clients and do our presentation with them. If you need a home inspection anywhere in North Texas, Austin or Georgetown area, give us a call. My name's David with Selman Home Inspections, and we would love to earn your business. Doing a home inspection out in Fort Worth this morning, and I wanted to talk to you about things that we might find on walls when we do wall inspections. Doing this inspection today, I found this area right here near the front entry door that is very soft. There's several soft spots in the wall here. Hopefully you can set, I won't push too hard and break it, but there's a real soft spot here. Could be a previous water damage. I have tested it with a moisture meter and our thermal camera. It is not currently wet anywhere in that wall area, but let's take a look at some possibilities that might have caused this. Water penetration in downstairs walls and ceilings can also be from leaking toilets. I did test this one. Although the toilet doesn't work, I turned the water on long enough just to find out that we have some seepage around the bottom of that. So any kind of water leaks from upstairs can also cause ceiling drywall damage and wall drywall damage. The other thing is the tub right next to this seems to drain fine, didn't have any issues with it. With its performance, but there could be water leaks in the drains between here and where it goes down, where it turns to go downstairs. So just some ideas on what this might be and things to look for when you hire Selman Home Inspections. So one thing that can cause some water leaks is things like this. There's no flashing. You can see right there between that outside wall and the front porch cover. There's no visible flashing there. It should be flashing and counter flashing to prevent water penetration through that wall area.
No matter what type of home inspection you need done, you can count on us. Call or email one of our friendly staff now to schedule your home inspection.